The iPhone 17 Pro Max is Apple's boldest step into the future of smartphones, combining a sleek design with unmatched power and intelligence. At first glance, the massive 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display grabs your attention with its vibrant colors and razor-sharp resolution of 2868 by 1320 pixels. With a 120 Hz promotion refresh rate, HDR support, and always-on technology, the screen feels buttery smooth and perfect for gaming, video editing, and content consumption. The build is equally premium, crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum with a second-generation ceramic shield on both front and back. Making it tougher and more resistant to drops and scratches. The phone is also IP68 certified, meaning it can survive up to 6 meters underwater for 30 minutes, giving you confidence in daily use. Inside, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is powered by Apple's groundbreaking A19 Pro chip, featuring a 6-core CPU, a 6-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine designed to handle everything from advanced AI features to console-level gaming. Paired with iOS 26 and Apple Intelligence, it takes personalization to the next level, delivering smarter Siri interactions, live language translations, and faster on-device machine learning. Storage options range from 256 GB to an incredible 2 TB, ensuring that professionals, photographers, and content creators never run out of space. Speaking of creators, the camera system is a true highlight. The Pro Fusion setup brings 3 powerful 48MP lenses, a wide main sensor with sensor shift OIS for sharp, detailed shots, an ultra-wide lens for capturing landscapes or group photos, and a telephoto lens capable of 4x to 8x optical zoom for close-up details without losing quality. The results are stunning whether you're shooting in daylight or low light, thanks to night mode, improved computational photography, and cinematic video recording. The 18MP front camera also delivers crystal clear selfies and introduces dual capture, allowing you to record with both front and back cameras at the same time. Battery life is another area where Apple has pushed the limits, offering up to 39 hours of video playback, supported by fast USB-C charging, MagSafe accessories, and wireless charging for convenience. Apple has also introduced bold new colors like Cosmic Orange, Deep Blue, and Classic Silver, giving users more ways to express their style. Altogether, the iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just an upgrade, it feels like a glimpse into the future of smartphones. With its futuristic design, powerhouse performance, pro-level cameras, and unmatched ecosystem integration, it's a device built for those who want the absolute best technology in the palm of their hand.